So now we're going to have a look at taking apart the slide mechanism, which there should just be 2 grub screws at the back. So if we pull this cable back up so I don't get stuck, I'm hoping what's going to happen is this whole sliding assembly, so just using an Allen key, just loosen those up, hopefully enough, or is there, can't feel any at the bottom. Can we take this off the front? Oh, there we go. This is a screw on this side, which we take that out. Seem to be dropping everything today. Can we take that? Let me get them back. Right, I've got those back, and I think what we're going to do now, we're just going to slide that to the back, lock it, try not to drop this. We'll just give this a little, try giving it a little tap. See, slowly. Slowly coming off. Just check these out. Let's wind those out a bit more. They didn't seem like they were binding. Thought that would have come out a bit easier than that. Yeah. Got one on this side. Give that a go as well. Loosen that out. The manuals for this actually do seem to be quite good as well. There's a full parts stack up in there. But it doesn't help you when things are rusted solid. So now I don't know whether I'm doing it wrong or whether it is just rusted solid. Let's tip it forward and have a look. Keep going with the gentle adjustment. Silver paint or something. Or shards of metal, either way. We're off. It looks like there's some, I don't know if you can quite see it on there, but there's some residue of adhesive in the back of those, so maybe that wasn't meant to come off. Hey ho, now, if we loosen that, the whole thing should, yeah. Thinking about it, I don't really want to pull those through there. So, back to the drawing board a minute. Right, so what I've done there, I've cheated a little bit and taken the top off. So all I did to do that is took a hammer, took the nut off the top, took a hammer and a punch and just knocked it through. Did the whole thing on the floor off camera though, because I subscribe to the school of if it's already on the floor, you can't drop it. So I didn't want the whole thing to suddenly come loose, and I wasn't quite sure where it was going to come loose and how easy, so I thought better do it on the floor and then we can't drop anything. So definitely suspecting at some time or another this has been very wet. Everything seems to be rusted and corroded, particularly if we bring this up. Where are you? There you go. We've got some particularly bad pitting in that area for some reason. God knows what happened there, but probably best not to know. So all we're going to do, I'm assuming these are the same, but let's not take that chance. So we take those out of there. Just going to clean all of this up because, as you can see, I'm assuming that is probably why it doesn't turn so well. It seems like any remnants of grease that were on this machine have turned into some awful hybrid sawdust paste. And in fact, as you can see, that's the bolt that came out of the centre. So we'll see what we can do to clean that up. I'll see if we've got one in the spares bin that we can replace it with. But if I'm not careful, we're going to end up spending more on the machine than the machine itself. So quick and dirty is the order of the day. So I'll get this cleaned up and then we can get it put back together. Well, I've had a look around for an M8 screw of this size. I can't find one, so what we're going to do, well, we're going to cross our fingers that it is M8 and we're just going to run a die. We're going to run an M8 die up and down that. The washer that was in there is corroded beyond all. It seems to have had paint on there somehow, and yeah, that's going in the bin. So the closest one, got a penny washer that fits on there, and that'll do the job. So all we're going to do, we're probably not going to be able to do this by hand because it is so messed up, but we're just going to thread this onto here, if it is M8. There we go, as if it's a normal nut. Back and forth a bit as we hit the corroded sections. We're not going to be able to do that by hand.